channel. In this video, I'm going to make a heart. So let's start. And sorry for delay. I can't upload video for busy days. So I upload. I I will upload videos daily. So let's start. First, I need to control space and right click to zoom in and space bar to drag it with drag the page this like this. Okay, so basically it's very easy. First I heart draw heart with pen tool. So let's start this and this this and then you click the point and hold mouse to drag it like this. Okay, and shift it with stroke. Okay, okay guys, so sorry, control z, control z, I think. Okay guys, and then shift it shift it with shift it into stroke. Okay, so it would not difficult for you. Okay, and this, and again like this, and this like this. So it's basically very easy. Not. I think we should shift into will. So it's looking like very looking like good. I think this is perfect. Okay guys, so I hope you like you I hope you guys like my video, uh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I think we should this shift it with this and shift and all to decrease the size. Okay guys, and okay guys, so we should do this. Okay guys, so I hope you liked my video. Then do subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. So if you like my video, then do subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.